Hello my friends, Ellen here. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. Today I'm going to share with all of y'all an amazing pineapple upside down cake. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious, decadent, buttery. It's going to be full of pineapples and cherries. This will be the best pineapple upside down cake you ever had. Y'all gonna love this recipe. Perfect dessert for the spring and to end the spring's meal. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my cake recipes playlist and my previous video, fresh strawberry waffles. I'll post a link to both of those down below in the description box. So grab your pineapples, your maraschino cherries, and your cast iron skillet sugar, because we're about to bake some pineapple upside down cake magic in my Southern Kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, in my cast iron skillet, I got the fire over medium-low heat. I added a half a cup, which is 1 stick of unsalted butter. And we're going to add in 1 cup of packed light brown sugar. Going to give it a quick stir. And we're going to let this cook until the butter and brown sugar melts. Alright my friends, the butter and brown sugar is melted. And I removed it off the fire. So now it's time to add in the pineapple and maraschino cherries. We're going to add on 7 pineapple rings. Right on top of the melted butter and brown sugar. Now we're going to add 7 maraschino cherries inside the pineapple rings. Just like that. So now we're going to set this aside while we work on the cake batter. In my large bowl, I have 1 stick of unsalted butter at room temperature. And we're going to add in 1 cup of white sugar. And we're going to cream these on medium speed until they're fluffy. Alright my friends, 2 ounces of butter and sugar. We're going to add in 3 extra large eggs at room temperature. We're going to add them 1 at a time, beating after each egg. Alright, next we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract and mix this in until it's well incorporated. Alright my friends, over here in this bowl I have 2 cups of self-rising flour that's sifted, or you can whisk it. And we're going to alternate adding 3/4 of a cup of fresh pineapple soda. That's right, sugar, pineapple soda. It's going to take it to the next level. Give it a great flavor. We're going to begin and end with flour. Alright, last of the flour. Continue mixing until it's well incorporated. Alright, and this is optional. I'm going to add in a few drops of yellow food coloring. Kind of like the cake, give a little yellow color. And mix this in until it's well combined. Alright, my friends, our cake batter is complete. Look at this beautiful yellow color. Can smell the pineapple soda. Going to be pineapple licious. It's nice and silky and smooth. Perfect. So now we're going to pour the cake batter on top of the cherries and pineapple. Like so. Alrighty, now ready to put this cake in the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 350 degree oven, and we're going to let it bake for about 25 to 30 minutes. And I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I have taken my cake out of the oven. See how nice and golden brown that is? It smells heavenly. So now I'm going to let the cake cool for about 20 to 30 minutes, and then we'll flip it over. Alright, my friends, our cake is nice and cool. Now it's time for the best part. Time to flip it on the other side. Here we go. Wish me luck. Ready for the grand finale? Here we go. Gorgeous! Isn't that pretty? And there you have it, my friends. Pineapple upside down cake. Doesn't that look good? So now I'm about to fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, I fixed me up a plate. Now normally I serve my cakes with ice cream, but I was out. So I'm just going to serve it with some whipped cream. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Oh yeah, beautiful texture. Look at that. Have a bite. Bursting with pineapple goodness. It's so moist, it just melts in your mouth. Juicy, flavorful. This is fantastic, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Pineapple upside down cake licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Facebook and Instagram. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and stay safe.